Fabric provides a unified experience for monitoring all items, while simultaneously it also offers you the flexibility to delve deeper into different workloads to meet specific needs. Let's navigate to the Monitoring Hub. It is the centralized monitoring portal for all Fabric items. You can sort the activities by item type and filter them by job status and other criteria. You can also get more details about a job by looking at its detail pane, which provides more specific information. This experience is consistent for every item, whether it's a data engineering notebook, a data integration, data flow, or a Power BI data set. If there's a job submitted by accident, you can easily cancel the run directly in the Monitoring Hub. While the Monitoring Hub provides me with a consistent way of viewing all my jobs and activities, I can also drill into the details of all my runs. For example, navigating into specific Spark application. This Spark application detail page is personalized for Spark workload. In this case, you can get all the details of the Spark jobs that are part of their Spark application. If you have a job that has failed, you can easily get the specific code snippet of where the problem has occurred. You can navigate through the diagnostic panel to uncover more details about where and why errors occurred, as well as spot warnings about potential performance issues. In this case, there is some skewness in the data that may need further investigation. Additionally, you can examine the driver logs for more insights into the errors. You also have the option to download the logs for further analysis in the tool of your choice. The Data tab allows you to view the data inputs and outputs from your notebook operations. Finally, you can view the notebook snapshots from the runs to see the original code, input parameters, and exactly where potential issues occurred. For a centralized view of an item, you can navigate to your workspace and look at the runs associated with a specific item. In conclusion, the Fabric Monitoring Hub provides a centralized and consistent experience. The Spark application detail view offers Spark-specific monitoring capabilities, and the Recent Runs feature allows you to navigate through historical activities related to a specific item.